County Sheriff's Office is searching for Sonny Ray Malike, white, female, 2 weeks old, 19 inches, 8 pounds, brown hair, blue eye color, last seen wearing pink shirt and diaper. Police are looking for Sylvia Nicole Norman, 31 years old, white, female, 5 feet 1 inch, 115 pounds, brown hair, blue eyes and white shirt with blue shorts and white leggings underneath. Has tattoos on back and left arm. In connection with her abduction, law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Polk County Sheriff's Office at 936-327-6810. News media point of contact is Polk County Sheriff's at 936-327-6810.